Hello my friends. Today we are going to learn about something we see every day, shapes. Shapes are everywhere around us. When you look around your room, you can find many different shapes hiding in objects. Let's start with a circle. A circle is round. It has no corners and no straight sides. A ball is a circle. A clock is a circle. A plate is a circle too. Now let's look at a square. A square has 4 equal sides and 4 corners. A window can be a square. A chessboard has many little squares. Next is a rectangle. A rectangle also has 4 sides, but 2 sides are long and 2 sides are short. A book is a rectangle. A door is a rectangle. Now let's learn about a triangle. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. A slice of pizza looks like a triangle. Some road signs are triangles too. Shapes help us understand the world better. Builders use shapes to build houses. Artists use shapes to draw pictures. Even toys are made from shapes. Let's play a small game. Look around you right now. Can you find one circle? Can you find one square? Can you find one triangle? Great job! Shapes can be big or small. They can be different colors. But their sides and corners stay the same. That is what makes each shape special. You can draw shapes too. Draw a circle. Draw a square. Draw a triangle. Now color them. Learning shapes makes your brain stronger and smarter. Math is not only about numbers. It is also about understanding space and objects around us. So today we learned. A circle is round. A square has 4 equal sides. A rectangle has 2 long and 2 short sides. A triangle has 3 sides. You are amazing little math stars. Keep looking for shapes everywhere you go. See you in the next fun math lesson. Bye my friends.